Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change into dy over dx. dx we put on the right, y to the power of 3 we put on the left. So this one I can write into y to the power of negative number 3 dy. So if we put this one from denominator to numerator, the power should be about negative. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, you got about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The integration of cosine x, you got about sine x and we put about c. This is about negative number 2. This one is about negative number 2. Number 2 divided by number 2. With the negative, you got about negative 1 over y squared in here. So this one we put on the left, y squared we put on the right. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.